Hi everyone. This is a joint probability table. I am doing this just like a short video. I know it's review week because some of you are having exam this weekend or tomorrow. This is for the probability chapter. A joint probability table. This is a basic table. When it's only 2 events, so you just do 3 vertical lines and 3 horizontal lines. That's it. Whether you're doing it on a piece of paper or in Excel, makes no difference. But in the same row, we need the same event and its complement. The same column has to have the event and its complement. You cannot mix and match. A next to A, I have the complement of A, which is not A. B below B, I have not B. This is called joint probability table because the middle of the table contains joint probability. These are called joint probability, okay? Joint or intersection. The margins are at the borders of the table. Margins, there's no condition. It's on the event by itself. So P of B, P of not B. So realize that the row, the event you write on a row instead of the column, the end of that row, that will be the marginal probability for that specific event. So B is in the second row, all the way to the end on the right. In the column that says total, we have the marginal probability for B. And we will do the same for P of not B. Now, when we get to the column, A is on the second column. At the bottom of A, all the way to the last cell, we have the marginal probability for A. That's why it's called the joint probability table. This is generic, guys. You have to customize it based on the problem that you are given. This is just generic. Below, I have the 2 most used formulas in the probability chapter, conditional and union. The key words that you may find, and I say may because sometimes you have to just read the wording problem and understand where there's a condition. And some of you, some professors may have these keywords, if, given, that, or of. So when you see if, given, that, or of, conditional. The condition is put after the bar. We have P of A given B. We're talking about this now. I will highlight what I am talking about so you could follow me. Let me remove the highlighted parts above. Okay, so we're talking about conditional. A given B. B is the condition that I'm putting on A. So I'm putting a condition. It's completely different from intersection. Condition is a condition put on an event to occur. That condition must be realized first, okay? So A given B, basic. It's the joint of the 2 events divided by the condition. Joint of the 2 divided by the condition. Then we get to union. The keyword is or. The keyword you will find for union is or. P of A or B, you take P of A, you add P of B, and you subtract the joint only because you do not want to double count. Okay? Union is or. P of A or B, you take the marginal of each event, P of A, plus P of B, the marginal of B, and you subtract the joint. So a quick review. Joint probability table. The middle of the table contains the joint probability, and the borders, we have the marginal probability. So in a joint probability, we only have joint probabilities and marginal probability. No other type of probability goes in the table. Only joint and marginal. That's for the table. The conditional formula, that's the joint or also called intersection of the two events divided by the condition. Guys, I would use this like a cheat sheet for the exam on chapter, on the probability chapter. I won't give any number for the chapter because I don't know which book whoever is using. For the probability chapter, this is the perfect condensed information that you need for your review. It's condensed, meaning that you can add all the details that you want that could help you. Okay? So this is it. Thank you.